All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I have good buddy Tony Sangelosi with me from 330 Archery, custom string builder, custom arrow builder. And today we're testing some carbon shafts through torture tests. So planning for your arrows to break is never something that anyone wants to think of, but arrow safety is something you need to consider. And we're gonna see how the Exodus MMT shafts hold up compared to other carbon shafts. So this shaft has a patented 4K weave with a 1-to-1 ratio for increased torsion strength and durability. So the idea is when this arrow comes in contact with something and it needs to break, that it will fracture instead of splinter. So when you have carbon splinters going everywhere, go through your arm or whatever, it's gonna be a mess, it's gonna be painful. So the Exodus MMT has the patented 4K weave shaft to increase safety. So let's see what happens to these arrows when they meet a cinder block at 10,000 frames a second. So right now I have a carbon shaft on here. It's a 166 shaft with a outsert. Let's see what happens to it when it meets a cinder block. There we go.
There we go.
You can see that splinter that you have there is what you don't want. You get one of those shards through your arm or something, you're gonna have a bad day. So here's another carbon shaft. You can see the splinter. Oh!
I think I just hit too high. Something just came down. That thing came straight back too. I don't even think that you're gonna get any break on that.
That's good. Yeah.
You might have to shoot this again.
This is good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if I can get a little closer here to break this thing. That's so far so good.
They moved it back because it rained every week. So now the rain goes back. The rain goes back.
So there it is, guys. That's a fracture compared to a splinter. So it's gonna be a lot safer. Took 2 shots to break these. I had to move up a little closer. So that's some of the features you'll get, added benefits to shooting Exodus MMT arrows. Little added safety, little added durability.
You'd be lying if you said you've never been uncertain or second guessed you've been shooting the very best hunting arrow for your archery setup. We've been there. That's why we've sourced the most precise archery components on earth for a tailored built arrow specifically for your hunting adventures. Here's what we demanded before bringing the MMT to market. Precise accuracy and build tolerances, momentum efficiency, long range accuracy, and an arrow that eliminated the environmental variables. The Exodus MMT features a patent 4K outer weave at a 1-to-1 ratio to increase torsion strength and durability by eliminating weave gaps. The carbon inner tube strengthens and stiffens the front of the arrow, allowing your tailor-built arrow to have flight characteristics of a shaft nearly 5 inches shorter than the actual length. Building from the shaft's first dynamic bend ensures proper spine indexing, making micro-tuning 4 times faster. The Exodus MMT features uniform shaft diameters with no taper due to the use of ceramic mandrels during the manufacturing process, also giving the shaft better material consistency by slower cooling and curing times. With all the custom arrow options out there, you're probably wondering what the heck makes our offering any different. Well, outside of proprietary components, a patented shaft design, and match grade fits, it boils down to craftsmanship. All components are weighed and sorted down to 0.2 of a grain, along with batch weighted arrow shafts to provide build tolerances of plus or minus 2 grains. Front ends are built square and chamfered for match fit with your choice of aluminum or brass inserts. Premium epoxies and adhesives are used in all builds and allow 24 hours to cure in climate controlled conditions. Each order is 3-fletched from the same jig for exact tolerances arrow to arrow. At the end of the day, there's plenty of options out there for custom built arrows, but I promise you this, no one is building your arrows with more care and more precise craftsmanship than our team here at Exodus. If the Exodus MMT sounds like the hunting arrow you've been craving, click the link to learn more at our website.